Today in App Judgment, cut through the clutter of customer service with Dial Zero. This episode of App Judgment is brought to you by Verizon Droid Apps. Welcome to App Judgment, Revision 3's mobile phone application review show. My name is Ron Richards, and if you're like me, you hate calling customer service numbers because of all those automated systems, having to press 2, then 3, then 1, only to get a recording. Enter Dial Zero, an app to make your customer service nightmare much more manageable. Free in the Android marketplace, Dial Zero was developed by the folks at Next Mobile Web and takes some of the best community aspects of websites to help you get in direct contact with someone in customer service at most companies and distills it down to your phone. Opening Dial Zero for the first time is very nondescript. You get a list of companies in alphabetical order, or if you know exactly what you're looking for, you can enter the company name in the search bar. Let's search for American Express. Just type in the name, and the list filters as you type. Once you see the company you want, tap their name. You get a clear phone number and instructions on how to get a live person on the phone. In this case, I just have to press 0 at each prompt and ignore the messages. Below the app's instructions, there are also comments from other users in the form of tips. You're definitely going to want to scroll through these and check them out, as you can totally learn from other people's misfortunes, and sometimes you can even see notes from former employees. If you want to leave a tip, just scroll down to the bottom of the company screen and you see the submit box. Type in your tip, hit submit, and you've contributed. So now that I've got the power of customer service licked, let's take a quick break and then we'll see what else Dial Zero can do. Thanks to Verizon Droid Apps for sponsoring this episode of App Judgment. Droid does apps. Verizon Droid Apps have access to every tool the phone has, including the compass, GPS, accelerometer, video player, image capture, and more. With your Droid, you can run the apps in the background for multitasking and give background notifications. Verizon's dominant network and 3G coverage create an unparalleled mobile data solution to keep you connected to the web and allow you to run heavy data-rich features anytime, anywhere. And with the ever-expanding Android market, you'll always be able to quickly download the apps you need to get the most out of your Droid. Check out droiddoes.com for more apps. And now back to Dial Zero. In addition to searching for companies, you can tap latest comments along the top to see the most recent comments from other users, which is great to see what's happening recently to other people. But while it's neat to see, unless you're looking for a specific company, this view of comments isn't really helpful. One section of the app that I found interesting was the head-to-head section available in the top menu. The app has grouped together some business types, wireless carriers, TV services, and credit cards, and aggregated the comments about those companies to show you who has the best customer service. Great idea. Except the execution isn't so hot. It's just a long list of comments about a company with no way to jump to one company or compare them. Instead, you just have to scroll and read to see each user's comments on each company. This could be a powerful tool if only it was organized a bit better. This app is a great idea, giving you intel on companies' customer service departments before you call. The community tips can be invaluable. The only problem I have is with the other content. The latest comments is neat, but not necessary, and the head-to-head section is a great idea, poorly executed. With that, I still say you should download this app. Even with some good ideas not done very well, Dial Zero's value is in its data about companies and the user community tips. With this information, you'll never be trapped in customer service hell again. What do you think of Dial Zero? Send me your thoughts. Email me at appjudgment@revision3.com. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, or on YouTube. Or you can subscribe to the show at our homepage at revision3.com/appjudgment. I'm Ron Richards, this is App Judgment, and I'm finally going to cancel America Online.